Hi guys, I'll go straight to the point. This is a Hino truck and it has no AC. The system is full with Freon. You'll see that air compressor will kick in right here, this part that is turning, okay, stop now. The one that is turning, it will kick in by like a second and it will stop. Look what's going on. So I have the gauges connected to the high and low side. And this is the high pressure, this is the low pressure. Okay. The equalizing, look how slow it is. And the temperature right now is like 60 degrees. It should be way faster. The pressure should equalize way faster. So that tells you there's a blockage. Usually the blockage happens to be the expansion valve. And the expansion valve is located inside, over here behind the blower. It's quite of work to remove the blower and the expansion valve. I'll show you the expansion valve, how it looks. This is an old one that I have replaced on a Hino truck. This is the original expansion valve. This is it. Usually the cost of the expansion valve is $200 in Hino, and to replace it, do a vacuum of the system and fill it with Freon, it will cost you about $500. So plus the part, $200, around $700 to do all of the work. Usually I do that. I have some aftermarkets, they're good. I'll give you 1 year warranty and they're like $500 with the replaced vacuum and Freon and the part included. Yeah, it's been almost a minute. High pressure, it's over 200 psi. Low pressure 50. I mean bars. No, psi is the right one. I was right, psi. I used to work on European cars, so in Europe it's bars, but here in America it's psi. Good luck if you need to replace the expansion valve.